Hey guys, welcome back to Serene Bookworks. I have just a super fun, quick little project for you guys. We've all heard about the FrankenPaper. I love it. I do it quite a bit. I've made tags and pages and all kinds of stuff with it. And so I had a lot of Halloween, fall typed scraps. I keep all my scraps in a big box, and then every once in a while I'll go through and do something with them. So this is what I did with these, and I was going to make tags or something out of these. I'll show you the back side here. You know, nothing spectacular. And then I set this aside, got busy doing something else. And it sat there, and it sat there, and it sat there. Finally, I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta do something with that. By that time, the urge to make tags had left me. So, what I did was, I've decided that I'm going to turn this into a journal cover. I thought that would be a really cute quilted look for a journal cover. So I have used scrap, cardboard, and chipboard, whatever I've had here handy. And I've made two covers and a spine. Usually, I don't do the spine until I've got all my signatures done. I don't have any signatures for this. I'm going to go ahead and do this. Wish me luck, because I have a tendency to extend myself. Anyway, we have, yeah, I do that a lot, and then my signatures overtake the spine, but that's okay. I will make myself, I'll restrain myself. All right, so I went ahead and cut these because, you know, you guys don't need to see that. And as you can see, there's plenty of room to go around. I really, really like that. And I will have some left over. Maybe that will become a tag or something at some point. That's cool. So this is a thicker piece of card stock and a thinner piece of chipboard that I've glued together. And I really like that combo, especially after you put some other stuff on it. It works out pretty good. All right. And I'll just show you really quick. This is my Mod Podge, which is getting very thick because I don't use it very often. So I might need to dip the old brush in some water. But anyway, you guys know how to do this, I hope, right? You just smear the Mod Podge all over it, stamp it down. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it all glued down. Usually I would wait and put some weight on it, but that's okay. I trimmed it just a little bit. It only needed a little bit of trimming. When I cut the corners like I did here at an angle, I do this all the time. I cut it too close and there was going to be a gap. So I just took the stuff that I had cut off and cut two little triangles. That's what these are. And no one will ever know. So I just wanted to show you guys that before I moved on. And then we're just going to do this really quick. And I pre-folded this, and then I went over it with the edge of some scissors, or you could use your bone folder, whatever you have, just to make sure that it's going to fold correctly, because some of this is cardstock, some of it is like handmade paper, some of it is just regular paper. Yeah, so I've got all kinds of different little textures and stuff going on here. So I think it's a good idea to do that anyway, but that's just what I did. And also, once I get this down, I like to let it sit and really shore up. If you have to, of course, you can put some tape or something on there to help it. A lot of times I've got my handy dandy little clips here that I will use. But anyway, let's see what it looks like. I'm going to do a little bit of scoring right here. That paper's thin, so it's going to crack. But that's okay, because I'm going to cover it up later anyway. So like I said, I would usually let this sit before I did this. Oh, yes! Look at that. Oh, I like it. And here is the spine. And there's the back. This is gonna be so cute. All right. Nice. I'm not gonna work on this one again for a little while because I've got other projects, but look how simple and easy that was. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can glue paper together and then do this. It's just a great way to use up some scraps, especially these really pretty ones. You know, that's handmade paper there. You don't want those to go to waste. All right, super cute. Your turn. All right, thanks guys for tuning in, and I hope that this helps you in some way. It really didn't take that long to make this, so hopefully you can make one nice and quick and easy too. And I really like how this has turned out. How about you guys? All right, have a great weekend. We'll talk to you later. Bye.